eyes to mesmerize. I am so excited to try out these two new colors from Charlotte Tilbury. I got the shades Exagerreyes and the Sunlit Glow. But before we begin, let's look at the swatches. First off, I really want to say that I thought the Exagger-eyes were lighter than this. I didn't think it was this dark. I thought it was a lot lighter. I don't know why I thought that. I am definitely going to do one color here and the other color here just to compare on what you think, what you like better on me. But first, I'm going to prime my eyes with the MAC Prep and Prime 24-hour. I always do this because my eyelids are hella oily. So I always have to prime it and then set it and then put on an eyeshadow. No matter if it's dry eyeshadow or cream eyeshadow, it needs to be primed. Next, I'm gonna set that with the Charlotte Tilbury powder. First, I'm gonna be using the Shikuhodo GSN09 brush. This is a flat brush and it's gonna be used to lay down the color all over my lid. And then I'll be using the Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow blender brush. That is how the shade looks like on the eyes. Wow, it is so pretty though. Oh, as you saw in the swatch comparison within the Mirror Antoinette, this one looks different than that. It's warmer, not as taupey as that one. And that is how it looks like. Wow, that is gorgeous. Now I am gonna blend it out. Oh my gosh, okay, that is gorgeous. I gotta admit, I didn't know what color this would be exactly, but dang! Ooh, so it looks like that it does have like a brown undertone, but then it has like this sparkly things in it that just looks, wow, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I love this. Now I'm gonna apply that on a lower lash line. I'll be using the Charlotte Tilbury Eye Smudger brush. Now that we are done with Exagger-eyes, we are gonna go into Sunlit Glow. I don't know what it is about this. This one has a shift to it. It has a pink, has this gold. It's just so pretty. It's like a shifty, creamy. Okay, now I'm gonna blend it out. Okay, so for this color, I noticed something. Like if I do this type of blending, it kind of picks up and then leaves some parts of it sparse. I'm not sure if it's the transition effect like tripping me out, but I noticed that it's kind of opaque. I don't know. I kind of felt that when I was swatching it too, but I wasn't sure. And I feel the same as I was blending it out here. But if I do like this tapping motion and then blending it outwards, it doesn't pick up as much. Oops, got some on my eyelash. My bad. Now I will be moving on to the lower lash line and be putting in that area as well. I wanted to add a highlight in the brow bone and in the inner corner, and I'm going to be using the Coffee Talk palette by Sydney Grace. This is the light palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Crema, and I'm taking the Sonia G flat definer brush. Wow, this is bling in. And I'm taking the same color with the Shikuhodo pencil brush for the brow bone. Alright guys, we are done. We have finished and this is the result. Okay, so what is the verdict? Do you prefer this side or this side? Let me know in the comments below. For me personally, I think that this side, it's kind of like a natural kind of day where you want to like go into the office or do whatever the heck it is that you do, that you want to be all basic and stuff. I think this is so classy. It is so beautiful. But this one, this is flirty, pretty. This is just so beautiful. And it's like a fairy type of color where you just, you just will not pop a. Just kidding, I'm partying. There is one more color that the Charlotte Tilbury came out with, which is like golden something, golden glow. Oh, a golden eclipse. That one is more golden, obviously. I don't really like to go for golden colors, which is the reason why I skipped it. $36 is more than enough for one and two. So I just didn't really want to buy the other one because I know I wouldn't wear it. With that said, let me know in the comments below which color you got and what is your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more videos on my channel, check out this video right here. This is the new Hourglass foundation. Check that out. That is a foundation you will want to try. So I will see you there, and don't forget, have a beautiful and wonderful day.